Between the 21st of May and the 2nd of June, Google rolled out a core update. If you run a small business, here's the short version of what the data now shows. Recognizable brands went up, smaller independent businesses went down. Not because their websites got worse overnight, because of what Google has decided trustworthy looks like. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you what actually happened, why AI search is about to make it more extreme, and the 5 things a small business can genuinely do about it. None of them involve buying backlinks, and one of them is completely free. First, the facts, because there's a lot of panic merchants in this space. This was Google's second core update of 2026, following the March one. It took 12 days to roll out, with unusual volatility. Rankings bounced around in waves before settling. Google's official line was the same as always. It's a regular update designed to surface relevant, satisfying content. No specific recovery advice, nothing to fix, carry on. But when the independent analysts compared before and after, a pattern kept repeating. The German data company Systrix found established canonical brands gaining ground, while smaller interchangeable sites lost it. Aleda Solis, one of the most respected technical SEO analysts in the world, found that visibility concentrated around what she called stronger default destinations, the sites Google already trusted for each type of search. And the losers? Aggregators, thin product pages, forums, and small businesses that look, to an algorithm, interchangeable with the one down the road. That word, interchangeable, is the whole story. Google didn't penalize you, it just couldn't tell you apart. Here's the engine underneath it. In December 2025, Ahrefs published a study of 75,000 brands, measuring what actually correlates with being visible in search and AI answers. The old currency of SEO, backlinks, scored a correlation of roughly 0.22, weak. Plain mentions of your brand around the web, no link, just people talking about you, scored 0.66 to 0.71, 3 times stronger. And the strongest single signal they found? Mentions of your brand on YouTube, 0.74. Think about what that means. Somebody saying your business name in a video, or a forum thread, or a local Facebook group, now counts for more than a link from a directory you paid 40 quid for. Google and AI systems have stopped counting votes and started listening to conversations. Big brands win that game by default. People talk about them constantly. A small business gets talked about almost nowhere. So when an update tightens the screw on trust, the brands rise and everyone else sinks. Correlation isn't causation, and anyone who tells you they've fully reverse-engineered Google is lying. But 3 independent studies, Ahrefs, Seer Interactive, SEMrush, all point the same direction. Now the part most small businesses haven't clocked yet. Google's AI overviews now reach more than 2 billion people every month. And that's Google's own number, not an industry guess. Google's AI mode answers questions with no organic links at all. ChatGPT has hundreds of millions of users asking it things they used to ask Google, including, who should I hire? And these AI systems are even more brand biased than the algorithm, because they learn about businesses from what the rest of the internet says. Wikipedia, Reddit, reviews, news, video transcripts. If those places have never heard of you, the AI hasn't either. There's even a number for how differently they behave. Only 11% of websites cited by Google's AI overviews also get cited by ChatGPT for the same question. Different machines, different sources, same problem for you. Silence about your business anywhere means invisibility everywhere. So the May update isn't a one-off storm to wait out. It's the direction of travel. So what can a one van, one studio, one office business actually do? 5 things, in order of effort. 1. Claim every profile that's genuinely yours. Google Business Profile, Trustpilot, Checkatrade, your trade body. Same name, same address, same phone number, everywhere. This is the baseline machines use to confirm you're real. 2. Get talked about, honestly. Ask happy customers for reviews that mention what you actually did. Answer questions in your local subreddit or community group. Say who you are, sell nothing. One helpful comment can sit in an AI's source pool for years. 3. Put real names on your website. A named owner, real photos, real case studies with real results. Google's own guidance after this update points straight at first-hand experience and clear authorship. Anonymous websites read as interchangeable. People read as trustworthy. 4. Add structured data, schema markup. A few lines of invisible code that tell machines, in their own language, this is a business, here's its name, location, services, reviews. It's the difference between a labelled tin and an unlabelled one. It's a one-off job and it is not expensive. 5. The free one. Check your website isn't accidentally telling AI to go away. Type your domain /robots.txt. If you see disallow next to names like GPTbot or ClaudeBot, your site is turning away the exact systems you need recommending you. 30 seconds to check. Do those 5 and you stop being interchangeable to Google and to every AI that's quietly deciding who to recommend. Here's the honest summary. The May update rewarded businesses the internet can vouch for. The fix isn't tricks. It's becoming findable evidence, and most of your competitors won't bother. If you want to know exactly where you stand, we run a free AI visibility check. It shows what Google and AI systems can actually see about your business and what's missing. Links below. No hard sell, it's how we show our working. I'm AI Visible. Make yourself visible.